know. How can I help you? Where's the girl one? Who's level 2? Can you please stand there? Perfect.
Alright, we got Squirrel Stapler. Interactive, small game, hunting.
Why does
We hunt squirrels.
Squirrel? Why is there a squirrel? Ah!
What?
What? Ugh. Can you stop looking at it?
Okay.
Creepy.
So we're actually supposed to...
Whoopee! Look at the bottom where my iPad is. It's so white.
Yeah, no. This is exposure. I don't have any filters on this.
Okay. Oh my god.
Okay, so what's in
no.
this house? In 5 days, God is coming. Okay.
5 days God is coming.
There's tutorials. Thou shalt not staple squirrels.
Where's the squirrel?
The squirrels are here. We'll
God
find them.
will be coming soon. Day 1.
It's time to hunt squirrels.
Hurry, better find a hunt squirrel.
This one.
I saw one over there.
Where?
No, over there.
They climb the trees, by the way, and they're brown.
They're camouflage.
Yeah, I know.
Why are you ducking? Stop ducking. It's hard.
I'm sorry.
Let's stand up and walk. Ah! I hear something. I hear something. Oh! Crouch. To shoot anything. Shoot.
We should see one soon.
Look up. Look up, you might see some. Look up, you might see any. See any. Come on, let's look up. Look up. There might be some up. If you look down, it's harder. To be looking up. Ah! Sounds like a guinea pig. My biggie.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Can sit that down.
Let me do this.
I think let's check. Okay.
There, now we have some audio.
Okay. Okay. Can you please go over here for 1 minute?
I found the shift while crouching.
Shift?
Yeah, that means run.
What? Shift to run? Ah! Run! Stop crouching and run! Run!
No, because then the squirrels are gonna run away. Wait. Oh my god. Oh, that's ammo.
Hurry, just aim that one!
Hold on.
Why don't you aim for any? Bro, just aim it.
Hold on. I'm looking for a squirrel.
A squirrel was just hanging.
Wait. Oh my god, there's a squirrel. Wait, it's right there.
Hurry.
Oh, it ran away.
Because you weren't fast enough.
I know. I just got scammed at that squirrel because I want to run. Oh my god. Oh, that's a rock. Wait, squirrel. I got it.
See, it's aiming for it very fast.
Alright, now I need 3 more.
That scared me. Yeah.
Sorry, I shot it really fast. Tell me if you see a squirrel.
I hear one. Oh, oh, that was a Ah! I don't see one.
Oh my god, I see one.
Oh, there.
Never mind, it's not a squirrel.
What is it?
I think it's a rock.
Oh, I think a rock. Oh, it's this one. Minus one.
What the fuck? Oh my god, it's right there.
Oh, there is one.
Oh my god, why do I have to reload? Wait. Oh my god, there's another one.
Hey, buddy.
Oh my god, I got them
Oh,
both.
hey. Hey, bud. How you doing? Good. I'm scared. I'm scared of how
One
you
more
look.
squirrel and I see it. I got it.
Oh my god, you need one more school. And now you only have one bullet left. Then use that last bullet. Use that last bullet to shoot at anything. Shoot at anything, you should have it.
No, seriously, fine.
Good job.
Empty.
Empty.
Yeah. Alright, let's go get some more ammo.
I can probably make a bush for you. Okay, bro. Okay. Let's get this boiling up. Okay. It's done boiling. Let's get it. We need some water.
Oh no, I looked at the map again. The path is pretty obvious.
There we go. Can you put some here?
This game is so loud. Oh my god.
Whoa, yeah. Crumble, put it in.
Okay, in 5 days, God is coming.
Okay. Now let's see. Okay.
We gotta go staple the squirrels.
Yep, I did it right. Here you go.
Now we ZZZ. What is this screen? You are sleeping. This is so cooked.
You are the
Sorry.
Ew. I wonder what's over there. Oh, that's day 2. Need to find way more squirrels than that. 5 on the, 1 on the top, 5 on the bottom.
We need to catch
6.
5 regular squirrels and a super big squirrel.
One super big squirrel?
Yeah, we need to call the big squirrel using the F command.
Big squirrel, come here. Big little squirrel, come there. To my brother. What's in here? Oh my god, I didn't even notice this. Look. Okay, look what I just mined right now. I just tapped it. And look, there's another one here. I see something blue in here. Look. Look, okay. Okay, look.
Oh, I gotta kill the squirrels. God damn it.
Look, okay.
What? Oh yeah, get those diamonds.
Whoa. Ah! That's a spider. Interesting. Oh, a flashlight. And a diamond.
Layla, you got 5 minutes. That's time to go up.
Okay. You already caught a big one. Wait, you didn't get a big one yet?
Oh my god.
You got a big one?
No, I got a regular one.
Oh, get a big one. Jump. Let me get the foot. Bill, I think you should get up there. What do you mean? Ah! Oh no! Gotta get him out. Yeah. Don't jump! Ew, don't jump inside. Sorry, Brody's coming in. No, I'm calling my mom. Yeah. Oh. Hey mom, back.
Was that a big one? No.
That's a medium one.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I got it.
You got it! Oh my god! Get it! Ooh. Let's see if you got one. I only need one more. Sody can!
Oh my god, double speed, we take that. Oh my god, yes.
Sody speed!
Oh my god, soda can is insane. Whoa!
Sody!
Hell yeah.
Sody!
Hell yeah, we take that.
Sody!
Oh my god.
What is it?
It's double speed. It might be the best thing they've added in this game. Where am I? Dude, I'm so far from home.
Oh my god! Where are you going?
It's this way.
Okay. Ew. You didn't even get it.
It should be right over this hill. I don't need it. What is it? What day is it?
It's definitely day free. Definitely day free. Day free. free today.
Oh, this game is so scary.
Okay, so it's stay free. Even if it's still day, the day that we are in now, we don't care.
Let's see what they have us hunt this time. There's a squirrel bear too.
Squirrel berry?
Bear.
Bear?
Yeah. It's fine, I'll pick it up.
Squirrel bear? One big one. Again?
Yeah.
And two. Fine.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Poison
we
grass.
got two normal ones.
Yeah, we take those. Oh my god. No, I want to get that one.
Okay.
You think I hit it?
I
There's no way I hit it. Man. Oh my god, it's right there.
Oh! It's dead. It's
No.
oof. You can't say dead because it's actually a duck.
Oh my god, yes.
It starts with a E word. So we say oof. Oh my god,
I'm
that
off that
squirrel oof. Sorry, squirrel. You oof today. Sorry, squirrel. You oof. Oh! Uh-huh.
Oh, a double squirrel. That means I just need a big one.
Really far away from home.
That was a regular squirrel.
What's that? We were definitely far away from home. Is this old?
No.
I want it. Open it. Open it. Open it.
F you.
Why? It's very fast. Very fast to do. Thank you.
This is a regular squirrel.
Whoa, where's the big one? Pets for that.
Oh yeah, that's the big one. That's the big one.
I wonder where it went. Ooh.
What the fuck? Just hit me. Oh my god. Oh my god.
The bear!
Ah! I killed it.
That scared me, bro.
Oh my god, where's the double X?
Yeah, we're like racing. Yes, they do. Wait, is that a normal one? That's coming right up to us?
Where? Oh no.
I'm scared of that.
Oh shit. What was that? Ah! What the fuck?
I'm so scared. I'm so scared of the bear. That's the normal one. Right, that's the normal one. We
I
need
know.
a big one.
Oh.
Alright, Stinky. Time to look. On your path.
Ah, scared.
Bye,
Let me say bye. Love you.
Bye.